Hello, guys and gals. This is Rhonda Kay. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to share with you what steps I go through to post daily. I think it's really good for you to see it visually. And then when you get my getting started guide, you'll be able to connect the dots. I send you a guide along with a video, a couple of videos explaining what I do, how I do it, how it will work for you, and some social media images and a journal, a financial freedom journal that I created for you. So let's just get into this. What you see right now is a system called ScreenPal. I use ScreenPal to record my screen. If I wanted to, I could also pick a feature on here where it will share my screen, show my screen and me in video. And there's another feature where I can just show, like, the webcam will just be on me. Obviously, I have chosen just to share my screen. So just to let you know, this is ScreenPal and it's free for you to use. I encourage you to go create you an account, watch the getting started videos or the training videos. It's once you tinker around with it a little bit, you'll be a pro at it. So that's the first thing. So I want to share with you the steps. So the steps you don't see is I created a video on my phone. Okay. And then let me see if I can move this down a little bit. I created a video on my phone. And here's the video. Okay. It's right here. So I downloaded it. I created the video on my phone. I uploaded it to ScreenPal. And then I downloaded it to my desktop. Okay. So that's how I created my video. Next, what I do is I want to upload this video to my channel. So I go over here to hit create, click on create, upload videos, select the video. So I'm selecting the video, click open. And so now that video is going to be uploading. You'll see that over here. At the same time, I need to go and pretty much copy another video that I have, the information. So I'm going to click on edit this video that I've already uploaded, because this is the information that I want to use right here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that in the video description. And I'm going to put my title here. Okay, I have that. And it's taking me a little bit longer because I'm talking and explaining it to you. Okay. Then, so you always want to have your description. Then I need to copy what is called the description, the tags. And the tags is a way for people to find you. So I'll scroll down here. No, it's not made for kids. And I'm going to put the tags in here. Sometimes I'm going so fast. I have, here we go, tags. All right. All right. So I have that. Now the next thing is, I'm not sure if you are familiar with thumbnails, but let me just share something with you. When you are on YouTube, and you may or may not have ever paid attention, but when you see these images, so you see her image, and then when I hover over it, I actually see her video. That is called a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, it's a thumbnail. All right. So I want to make a thumbnail over in Canva. So this is another tool that I use. It's free. I used Canva for several years before I upgraded. So I mentioned that to you to let you know you don't have to purchase anything. Okay, so I already have some running thumbnails. So I just copy that one. I want to use a different background. So that, again, you'll want to create an account with Canva and learn it. And pretty much all of us, we read a few instructions, but we just tinker around with it and we learn it on the go. So, well, I want it purple. So I got this purple background here that I'm going to click on position. And by any means, I'm not expecting you to like know all of this right away. Or follow me. Just want to show you. And then if you ever get on one of my, you ever want to get on a workshop, that's fine as well. So we got that, and you can upload your very own pictures. So have a little fun with your own picture, or you can use someone else's picture. That's not going to work. And for the time that we have, we're just going to leave that there. So now I'm going to download this. So I click on download. I already know it's in a PNG. And I know that it is image number 2. So I'm going to download that image. This process overall is like less than 5 minutes. But like I said, I'm talking. So I have everything that I need here. Okay. The next thing is, because I schedule out my videos, I need to schedule. So this here, I like to encourage people to subscribe if they want, or watch the next video. So that's what that is. So I go through here, and now I want to schedule it. So I click on schedule. I want to schedule it for November 2nd. And I want it to publish about 9:30 p.m. and I click schedule. And that, my friend, is how, those are the steps that I go through to post my content. Now, here's one other thing that I want to mention. Every time you post content, you're always guiding people. Eventually, someone's going to find interest in what you're doing because they want to do it as well. So they're always going to go to the video description, because in your video, you're going to tell them, hey, click the link in the video description to learn more information. And when they do, they're going to click, and you want to send them to a capture page, okay? Just a mini page for them to get some information. Then they'll put their name and information in an email, and it will guide them along the way. Once they click get access, they're going to get an automatic email that I already scheduled to go out. And then they're going to go to a landing page. I don't think I have that page. Yeah, I don't have that page up. But they'll go to a landing page learning more about this. And then on a daily basis, I will email them. Okay? So this is what I do on a daily basis, or oftentimes I will create 3, 4, or 5, or 7 even videos, and I will schedule them to go out. Okay? So I trust that this has been very helpful for you, and click the link in the video description, learn more on what we're doing. Anything that I can help you with in your business within reason, please let me know. All right? Many blessings.